Hello and welcome to your virtual OneScreen Core training. I'll be your guide through the incredible features of the OneScreen Core, the perfect blend of power, affordability, and seamless collaboration for classrooms and boardrooms. And remember, in addition to this training, you can get free, unlimited training with our OneScreen Guru Team available 24 hours a day. 5 days a week. Just download the Guru desktop app or email us at support@onescreensolutions.com or call 855-8988-111. The moment you power up your OneScreen Core, you'll be greeted by the dynamic homepage, your gateway to limitless possibilities. On both sides of the screen, you'll find the intuitive navigation bar, giving you seamless control. Need to backtrack? Simply tap the back button. Want to return home? Hit home. And for effortless multitasking, the Recent Apps button lets you switch between applications in a snap. But the best part? Customization. Tailor the navigation to match your workflow and make every interaction smoother. You can also access back, home, and recent options through the icons located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can also use gesture navigation instead of the 3-button navigation. To learn more about that, use the link in the description. Swipe down to open the notification panel, your control center for essential functions like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, screencasting, screen recording, calculator, dark mode, and more. On the right side, you'll see all your notifications in one place. Swipe up to exit. Next, let's talk about the App Drawer, your organized hub for all installed apps. Simply swipe up from the homepage to access it and find everything you need in one place. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.